Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. So first step you need to do is to open Tonkeeper. So once you open Tonkeeper, this is the home page. You simply need to click on swap first, and here you need to enter the amount. So you need to select USDT and add the amount. Okay, and once you add the amount, here you can see 50 and select USDT. Okay, once you done that, you need to go back and click on send. Here you need to add address and comments, so you need to go back and you need to open Binance. Okay, once you open Binance, you simply need to come here and click here on the top, click on deposit, and here you need to search for USDT, select that and scroll down and you need to click on Toncoin. Okay, and here you can find the deposit address and USDT memo, so copy that and come here and paste that address here, and in the required comment you need to add this one, copy, go back, enter that here, click on continue, and here you need to select USDT and add the amount and click on continue. So currently I have no balance, so that's why it is showing insufficient balance, but this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.